What's up, Bay County? It is your man, Old Saint Skip. Now, I gotta tell you, it is that time of year where I really start reflecting on the past. Because in order to change tomorrow, we've really got to get better at what we did yesterday. Now, I was talking to a group of people just this week about how, I'm Bay County through and through. I was born at Bay Med, Lynn Haven Elementary, Highland Park Elementary, Beach Elementary, Jinx Middle, Bay High, Gulf Coast, and I even graduated my bachelor's degree at FSU Panama City campus. And then, like many of us, I left Bay County. But when it was time to come back and serve a community that I called home, it was time to come back to Panama City. So this whole thing started in 2012, and we collected roughly 1,992 toys. Now, the crazy thing is we're celebrating our 11th year, and this year we will go over 150,000 toys collected for Bay County kids. And that's all because of you. That's all because each and every one of us did our little. And if we all do our little, no one has to do a lot. Now, this year is kind of special for me because I will celebrate my 100th night of rooftop living for Bay County kids. So here's the deal, guys. Mark the dates, December 4th through the 14th on the Walmart parking lot on 23rd Street. You know where we are. You know when we're gonna be there. So please make sure you show up, bring a new unwrapped toy, and help us save Christmas for the kids in Bay County. Now, we'll be there 24 hours a day. Volunteers will be on standby from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. Now, you can come at any time during the night, but make sure if you wake me up at 3 a.m., you better have toys in the car. All right, guys? Let's go save Christmas for the kids in Bay County, and God loves you.